Legends of Learning presents the Pendulum Lab PhET simulation. This is a science PhET simulation that makes learning about conservation of energy fun and easy to understand. In this game, you will use the simulation to gain more insight as to how a pendulum conserves energy under different conditions. You can monitor the energy from the pendulum as you conduct different experiments. You can also observe the velocity and acceleration in your simulation to see what affects these measures. You can customize all the inputs by selecting specific buttons on the settings for the simulator to experiment with different scenarios. You can lengthen the string of one or more of the pendulums, increase the mass, change the gravity based on the different planets, or alter the friction and watch what happens. You can use the stopwatch to time the experiment and the ruler to measure the change that took place. Learn more about the conservation of energy in the simulation. So are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you learn more about pendulums